get this money. Today might be cloudy, but tomorrow's gonna be sunny.
Whether it's recording in the sound booth or brainstorming rhymes, these students are using hip-hop to turn their feelings into flow. And it's all through the Cope Dealer program out of Cleveland, Ohio.
We're dealing coping skills. We're dealing actual healing techniques.
The mental health awareness workshop runs for 14 weeks and helps teenagers make music to deal with daily stressors.
You have to make mental health fun and creative, and this is the best way to do it.
A way that is culturally competent. A lack of that understanding is a reason only 1 in 3 African Americans who need mental health care receive it, according to the American Psychiatric Association. Licensed therapist and program facilitator Jerome Cash says hip-hop therapy can help change that.
Studies show that mental health and hip-hop bridges the gap where more African-American youth can relate.
This group of young black men who call themselves the Cope Kings were a part of the 2022 cohort.
I never really thought to use it as something that could help me out when I really needed it.
The program helped them manage their emotions through tools like journaling and breath management. Trayvon Stearns tried traditional therapy, but says it wasn't a good fit.
I lost all 3 of my aunties when, just over the last 3 years. I learned, some of the coping methods that I was using first is not as healthy as I thought it was.
It's a form of therapy gaining traction in other parts of the country. This hip-hop therapy studio program at Mott Haven Community High School in the Bronx has become a lifeline for many students.
A lot of the kids we're working with have either been in foster care, there's been some sort of abuse, they've been locked up at a young age.
Paul says he's seen how the program allows many to open up in a short amount of time.
It allows them to get to a point where they can speak about it and be able to really accept what occurred and what happened and move forward from it, right? And rewrite their narrative.
When you fall down,
when you go through a situation, you kind of forget what's really going on. With their music, I feel like I can put my situations part by part and really understand what it is.
Some of the young men we spoke to say after picking apart their problems, they learned how to put themselves back together.
Meeting them where they're at, going to their environments where they feel safe and they're already in helps them to open up and be vulnerable.
They can never take it from me.